Hello. Today we're talking about decluttering, and the thought for the day is that decluttering takes courage. Are you brave enough to declutter? I mean, I know you want to declutter. I know you want a streamlined home. I know you want to be able to find your socks and the scissors and the spatula, that you need things to be where they're supposed to be. But are you brave enough? Are you courageous enough to get rid of things? Or are you scared? Are you afraid? Are you worried? That there's no room in your life for those things. Be brave, be courageous, declutter. Get rid of things you don't love, things you don't need, things you don't use, okay? And things that don't fit you, and things that are out of style when we're talking about clothes, or things like my ice cream maker, which I've talked about before. I got rid of an ice cream maker. I never used it. I had it for at least 5 years. I finally got rid of it because Mr. B encouraged me to do that. And I've never needed it. Be brave, declutter. Have a courageous day.